What's up, y'all? I am back with another video, and this video will be about Nadula Hair Company. And if you guys are interested in the hair that I got and everything about it and how I feel about it, then just keep on watching. So I got Nadula hair. Well, hold on, let me just like hide the address. So it came in this. It's UPS, and it's like just I don't know. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying to hide my address and stuff, but it came into like a bag like this, and the front like this. So it came in this bag. I'm gonna need to go get something. Let me go get some scissors. Okay, y'all, so I got my knife. I'm about to cut this. Y'all, when I tell y'all, I ordered this last week on Thursday, and it finally got to me today. So it took, well, I ordered it on a Thursday, and today is Friday, and yeah. So it took a little minute for it to get here. So, but just a week. I really don't think it was Nadula's fault. I think that it was probably just the UPS people's fault, because they was literally saying that my hair was gonna come this day and then like changing the day. And I thought that was weird, but you know, it's whatever. Okay, y'all, so the hair came in a bag. This is different, but you know, cause you know the places, not the places, but the reviews that I watch for Nadula, usually it comes in like a box, but this came in a bag. It says Nadula on top. It's pretty though. It says their YouTube, it says their Instagram, and then it says their Facebook Messenger. I'll see that at the bottom. So now I'm just gonna open it. So y'all, I ordered 3 bundles, and it came with a closure and some lashes, I believe. So, and it came, yeah, some lashes. I probably won't use these lashes. I might give them away to somebody. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with the lashes yet, but I think I'm not gonna use these. But I got a Brazilian body wave. I got, yeah, Brazilian body wave. This is a 20-inch. This is a 20-inch. A 18-inch. And a 16-inch. And then a 14-inch closure. I probably won't even use the closure. I'm gonna just keep it hot, because me, I'm the type of girl, I like my I just like when it looks natural, and I feel like some closures do look natural, but I just rather have my little leave out because I feel like it's more natural. That's my opinion though, you know. But I'm gonna take them out the bag one by one because I don't want to mix them up. So I'm gonna start off with the with the closure. I got it in the free part. I had a closure before. When I did my wig, I did it into a closure. It wasn't the worst, but you know, that was my first wig. So yeah, I just rather not have a closure, if you know what I mean. All right, y'all. So I see it comes in a net. It's like a net. I've seen a lot of Nadula reviews. They are good, all of the reviews that I've seen, but y'all, I'm finna spill the tea. I'm about to tell y'all everything. Like I said, ooh, it's bouncy. It's bouncy. But like I said, the shipping took a little minute. Ooh, this is soft, y'all. This is soft. This is soft, y'all. Ooh. This is very soft. There is a little bit of shedding, if y'all can see. Some shedding, just like 3 sheds, and that's it. Nothing big, you know, hair sheds, all hair sheds, so we'll see. You know, it's not supposed to shed like all at once, but you know, hair sheds, so I'm not really tripping. This is like really soft and really bouncy. It's really good. It smells like new hair. How new hair is supposed to smell. This is how it goes. Like I said, it's a free part. So you can part it however you want to. This is really soft. Y'all, this is so soft. But I actually did contact Nadula once. I think it was like before it came. And I was like super nervous because when I had got my hair from the other company that I had did a review on, it came like in 2 days tops, and I was like scared because I didn't want to spend $137 for the hair not to come, you know. And then like the apartments that I stay in, they made it to where they do not care. They will leave your stuff. Like I ordered from Fashion Nova, they left my package outside in front of the door and didn't knock and just left. I just so happened to go outside and it was there. But Nadula, they had to sign it. I had to sign it. So that was good. And when they contacted me and I asked them about the shipping, you know, how long it would take, they responded very quick, and you know, well, so I'm gonna start with the 16 inch. I'm gonna start with the 16 inch, you guys. The bundle. I heard their wefts are like super good, and yeah, a lot of YouTubers wear their hair. I'm sorry, y'all. This net thing is getting in the way of everything. Y'all, this is so pretty. This is so pretty, y'all. So this is a 16 inch. This is how long it is. Stretched out. And it stops like right below my boob. And y'all, I am not that tall, so a 20 inch is really long on me. That's why I got 20 inch, because I'm not that tall. I am 5'3", so the hair is not gonna be like short. Like this is not a bob. Like this is still long for me because I'm not that tall. But a lot of people love having long, luxurious hair, and I like long hair, but I rather my long hair, I don't want it past my butt. It, like, the longest my hair, I want my hair to be is just like to the top of my butt. Just like, I like my hair, oh, say hi to baby. But I like my hair like right here to stop right here, like not, just right here. That's good enough for me. So it was very soft and bouncy. I really like the bouncy. Because last time I did my review on the other place, I didn't get body wave. I usually always get body wave. That was my first time getting straight. I love that one. But let's go on to the 18-inch. 18-inch. That probably long on me. They West was good too. So y'all, tell y'all about these nets. They're getting on my nerves now. This one is just like a little bit longer, and this is how long it is stretched. And like without stretching, it's like the same as the other one, but when you stretch it, it's like right here into the back. It's, oh, I'm sorry y'all, right here. So yes, I like this hair. It's real soft, and y'all need to, yeah. And then the left look like this. Full. But it seemed like the longer the hair gets, the thinner the hair. So it's not like the first one was like thicker than this one, but that's how it is in all hair companies. The longer you get, the thinner it gets. But I don't mind because all I ever use is 3 bundles for my hair. I never use no more than 3 bundles. Like, my mom always get 3 bundles for me. And with my last hair, I got 3 bundles as well. That's all I need. It's 3 bundles. But let's get on to my little 20-inch. Yes. Let's get to the 20-inch. Ooh, yes. Y'all. I'm sorry. I'm over here talking about I'm sorry to hear. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is the web on this one. And I'm gonna compare them all as well. So that's how it looks, and this stops just about where the other one, but this one is longer. It stops right here, and then the back, it stops right about where I like for my hair to stop. So yeah, I probably could have went with a 22-inch. Like, I would have probably been good with a 22-inch. Like, I just know that I don't like no long. I can't do a 24-inch. I can't do no 30-inch. I don't understand how y'all do it. And then some girls, they be having a 30-inch and they be touching their butt. Like, it's okay for some girls, I guess, if you're super tall. Because I watched this girl, Abby Nicole, and she's kind of on the tall side. And when she gets hair, her hair touches like her 30 inches, like is not all that, like it don't look as long as it would look if I got a 30 inch. So yeah, so if you're tall, I believe you can pull it off, baby. But yeah. All right, y'all, so this is all of the bundles together. As you can see, this one is the shortest, like the smallest. Like it's less, it has less than all of them. It is how it looks, and this is how they look. Like the shortest one has the most, and yeah. So this is them side by side, the same. Then I'm bringing up. This is the 16. This right here is the 18, and this is the 20 inch. Yeah, super cute. It's super cute. And the ends, like the ends aren't like split or like I don't know how to explain it. It's not crazy how some people stuff be. So yeah, I am going to get my hair done, and once I get my hair done, and I had it in for about a week, I am going to tell y'all how I like it, if I like it, or if it's just like enough for me. So yeah. I'm gonna get my hair done next week, and I'm gonna let y'all know, baby. I'm gonna let y'all know I've been waiting for this. It's really soft, y'all. Like, I wish y'all can just put y'all hands through it, through the screen, because this is really nice and soft. Like, it's really nice. Y'all go get y'all some Nadula hair. But I really do recommend you guys go get this hair from the review that I just had made. I recommend it, but you know, this is just the unboxing, unpackaging. So I will have this in, and then like before I go on my trip to Texas, I will have an update ready for you guys. So if you guys want the update for my hair, just keep watching the Nadula Hair Company. Just keep watching, and I will keep you guys posted. All right, y'all, so that was the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. Comment and subscribe, and comment down below if you've tried the Nadula Hair Company and what was your experience. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys want me to order more hair and do hair reviews. Like I said, I paid out of pocket for this. This is not a sponsored video. I paid $137 for this, and it just took 1 week to get it here. I'm pretty sure that they usually don't take that long. I think it was just I think it was the UPS fault, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, tell your mama, your daddy, your friends, your uncles, your granddaddies, all of them. Let them know to come to my channel and watch me. Like, watch me. Bye.